Colorado Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 1.
Question 1. If a dog begins to chase you, you should
Kick the dog. Approach the animal and speed away. Stop until the owner is found. Call animal protection.
answer.
Approach the animal and speed away.
Question 2. What techniques can be used to avoid an obstacle on the road?
Swerving or leaning. Stopping or swerving. Swerving or sliding. Stopping or sliding.
Answer.
Stopping or swerving.
Question 3. The best way to deal with a tailgater is to
Speed up to match their speed. Allow them to pass you. Beep your horn. Slow down.
answer.
Allow them to pass you.
Question 4. When driving through a turn, your lane position should
Stay as close to the end of the road as possible. Stay as close to the center line as possible. Change to give you the best view. Be in the center of the lane.
answer.
Change to give you the best view.
Question 5. To stop as quick as possible, you should
Use the rear brake only. Use either brake while swerving the motorcycle. Use the front brake only. Use both brakes at the same time.
answer.
Use both brakes at the same time.
Question 6. When riding in a group, who should set the pace?
The traffic in front of the leader. The tail rider. The middle group rider. The group leader.
Answer.
The tail rider.
Question 7. By leaving a minimum of seconds between yourself and the vehicle in front of you, you ensure you have enough stopping distance.
3, 2, 1, 5.
Answer.
2.
Question 8. You can increase your safety when riding at night by
Skimming the road with your feet as you ride. Riding the center lane position. Following vehicles closely so you can see better. Increasing your following distance.
Answer.
Increasing your following distance.
Question 9. If your throttle sticks while riding, you should
Apply the front brake. Twist it back and forth to free it. Pull in the clutch. Apply the rear brake.
Answer.
Twist it back and forth to free it.
Question 10. In which of these scenarios is it the least important to check your mirrors?
When descending a large hill. When beginning to slow down. When stopped at an intersection. Before you change lanes.
Answer.
When descending a large hill.
Question 11. If you need to change gears as you approach a turn, you should do so.
Before the turn. After the turn. You do not need to change gears for a turn. In the turn.
Answer.
Before the turn.
Question 12. How many positions are available to a motorcycle in a single traffic lane?
1, 2, 4, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 13. When carrying cargo, it is important to
Keep the load low. Weigh it before loading it on the motorcycle. Not carry a passenger as well. Only secure it to the sides of the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keep the load low.
Question 14. The safest way to cross an obstacle is at a degree angle.
90, 45, 20, 100.
Answer.
90.
Question 15. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, the best way to stop it is to
Apply the front brake. Apply the rear brake. Accelerate out of the wobble. Close the throttle gradually.
Answer.
Close the throttle gradually.
Question 16. You can maintain an adequate space cushion by
Speeding up when approached by tailgaters. Beeping your horn at close drivers. Always riding in the center lane position. Adjusting your lane position as you ride.
Answer.
Adjusting your lane position as you ride.
Question 17. When driving behind a car, which lane position will keep you most visible to the driver?
Any lane position. The center. The right. The left.
Answer.
The center.
Question 18. When starting off on your motorcycle, you should start with your right wrist.
Down. Locked. Up. Straight.
Answer.
Down.
Question 19. Which of the following surfaces can be dangerous for motorcycles to ride on?
Gravel roads. Steel plates. All these answers are correct. Metal grates.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 20. When driving along a road of parked cars, it is best to drive in lane position.
The left. Any. The right. The center.
Answer.
The left.
Question 21. Motorcycles are harder to see. How can you increase your visibility?
All these answers are correct. Wear bright clothing. Use signal lights. Flash your brake lights to warn drivers.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 22. What is the best way to identify bumps in the road when driving at night?
Use your high beam. Scan the road often. Only drive where there are street lights. Use the lights of the car ahead of you.
Answer.
Use the lights of the car ahead of you.
Question 23. The edge of the road can be extremely dangerous because
it is difficult to initiate turns. The right lane position has the most hazards. The right edge is driven on the least. Dirt and sand builds up at the edge.
Answer.
Dirt and sand builds up at the edge.
Question 24. Slippery surfaces can be even more dangerous if you aren't
only using one brake. Riding in the right lane position. Riding in the left lane position. Using both brakes.
Answer.
Only using one brake.
Question 25. When should you take your feet off the foot pedals and skim them on the surface of the road?
When riding in a parking lot. When riding on metal grating. When crossing rail tracks. When riding on ice.
Answer.
When riding on ice. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.